Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find shopping recommendation settings on your account on Pinterest. Easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click here and now click settings, now click social permissions, and now here you'll find it. You'll find shopping recommendations. Here you can manage it, you can turn it on or turn it off, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.